Hello student, today we are going to solve problem related to complementary and supplementary angles. First question, find the measure of an angle which is equal to its complement. Listen, before solving this question, if the angle be x, then its complement angle will be 90 minus x and the supplement angle will be 180 degree minus x. We remember, if the angle is x, then the complement angle is 90 minus x, then its supplement angle is 180 minus x. Here in the problem, find the measure of an angle which is equal to its complement. So let us suppose the measure of an angle be x degree, then its complementary angle will be 90 degree minus x. So here solution, let measure of an angle be x degree, be x degree. Therefore, its complement angle is 90 minus x degree. Now, according to question, angle is equal to its complement. It means that angle is x is equal to its complement angle. It means 90 minus x degree, or x plus x equal to 90, or 2x equal to 90, or x equal to 90 upon 2, it gives x equal to 45 degree. So this is your required solution. Another question, find the measure of an angle which is equal to its. Now the measure of angle be x. Let the measure of an angle be x degree. Therefore, its supplement is equal to 180 minus x. Now, according to question, it is given that angle is equal to its supplement. It means that x equal to 180 minus x. So, according to question, angle is equal to supplement angle. It is given that angle is equal to its supplement. It means x equal to 180 degree minus x. This implies x plus x equal to 180. Yeah, 2x equal to 180. So 180 upon 2, it gives x equal to 90 degree. This is our required solution. We remember again, if our angle is x degree, then its complement angle will be 90 degree minus x, and the supplementary angle must be 180 degree minus x. Here in this question, the angle x is equal to supplementary angle 180 degree minus x. So our solution is 90 degree. Thank you. Find the measure of an angle which is 36 degree more than its complement. In this question, let us suppose that the measure of an angle be x degree, so its complement angle will be 90 minus x degree. Now, according to question, it is given that angle is equal to 36 more than its complement. So angle be x degree is equal to 36 more than, means 36 plus its complement, it means 90 डिग्री माइनस एक्स. ये हमारा स्टेटमेंट के अनुसार ये स्टेटमेंट इक्वेशन बनेगा. यहाँ एंगल x है वो बराबर है किसके, 36 मोर देन इट्स complement, इट मीन्स 90 माइनस एक्स प्लस 36. नाउ ओपन द ब्रैकेट, वी हैव x इक्वल टू 90 माइनस एक्स प्लस 30. माइनस एक्स यहाँ ट्रांसफर कर सकते हैं. सो वी हैव x प्लस एक्स इक्वल टू 90 प्लस 36, इट गिव्स 2x इक्वल टू 126, or x equal to 126 upon 2, it gives x equal to 63 degree. So our required solution is 63 degree. Question 4. Find the measure of an angle which is 30 degree less than its supplement. Let the measure of an angle be x degree, then its supplement angle will be 180 minus x degree. Now according to question, it is given that angle is 30 degree less than supplement. So our angle is x and supplement angle 180 minus x. So x equal to 180 minus x minus 30. कह रहा है कि जो एंगल x वो बराबर है सप्लीमेंट एंगल से 30 कम. हमारा जो सप्लीमेंट एंगल है 180 माइनस x डिग्री है, माइनस 30 कर देंगे. नाउ ओपन द ब्रैकेट, वी हैव x इक्वल टू 180 माइनस x माइनस 30 डिग्री. यहाँ चाहो तो हल्का सा डिग्री बना सकते हैं. सो इट बिकम्स आफ्टर ट्रांसपोज, yes, in left hand side we have x plus x equal to 180 minus 30, it gives 2x equal to 150 degree. So it gives x equal to 75 degree. So our required measurement of x will be 75 degree. This is your required solution. Find the angle which is 4 times its complement. So now let the angle be x degree. So its complement angle will be 90 minus x. According to condition, it is given that the angle is 4 times its complement. So our statement x equal to 4 into 90 minus x. Here angle is x and the complement angle is 90 minus x. So on multiplying 4, in this bracket we have 4 into 90 gives 360 degree and 4 into x gives 4x. Now we have x plus 4x equal to 360, 5 equal to 660. Or x equal to 360 upon 5, it gives 72 degree. So our required solution is 72 degree. Next, find the angle which is 5 times its supplement. Now let the angle be x degree, then its supplement angle will be 180 minus x degree. According to question, it is given that angle is equal to 5 times its supplement. So we have, according to question, x equal to 5 into 180 minus x. And multiply by 5, in this bracket we have x equal to 900 degree minus 5x, or x plus 5x equal to 900, or 6x equal to 900, or s equal to 900 upon x. So x equal to 150 degree. So this is our required solution.